Here is SSSCE July 2002 question 10a. A chord PQ of a circle of radius 5 centimeters subtends an angle of 70 degrees at the center, O. We are asked to find four things, all correct to three significant figures: the length of the chord PQ, the length of the arc PQ, the area of the sector POQ, and the area of the minor segment cut off by PQ. The perpendicular from the center to a chord bisects the chord and splits the central angle equally. The perpendicular from the center bisects the chord, so each half is x. The chord is split into two equal parts, so its full length is 2x. Sin of 35 degrees equals x over 5. X equals 535 degrees. X equals 5, 0.573576. X equals 2.86788 centimeters. PQ equals 2x. PQ equals 2.86788. Taking the positive square root gives PQ equals 5.73576 centimeters. PQ approximately equals 5.74 centimeters. So the length of the chord PQ is 5.74 centimeters. Now we find the length of the arc PQ. The formula for arc length is theta over 360 degrees times 2 pi r. Theta equals 70 degrees, r equals 5 centimeters. Pi equals 22 over 7. Here, the central angle is 70 degrees, the radius is 5 centimeters, and we use pi equals 22 over 7. Arc PQ equals 70 over 360 times 220 over 7. So this simplifies to equals 7 over 36 times 220 over 7. So this simplifies to equals 220 over 36. So this simplifies to equals 6.1111 up to. Simplifying gives 220 over 36, which is 6.1111 up to. Therefore, the arc length is 6.11 centimeters to three significant figures. So the length of the arc PQ is 6.11 centimeters. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step exam solutions. Now consider this step. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more exam solutions. Next, we find the area of sector POQ. The formula is theta over 360 degrees times pi r squared. Theta equals 70 degrees, r equals 5 centimeters. Pi equals 22 over 7. We substitute theta equals 70 degrees, r equals 5, and pi equals 22 over 7. So this simplifies to equals 70 over 360 times 22 over 7 times 25. So this simplifies to equals 7 over 36 times 550 over 7. So this simplifies to equals 550 over 36. So this simplifies to equals 15.2778 up to. This gives 550 over 36, which is 15.2778 up to. Therefore, the area of the sector is 15.3 square centimeters to 3 significant figures. So the area of sector POQ is 15.3 square centimeters. The minor segment is the region between the chord PQ and the minor arc PQ. So we subtract the area of triangle POQ from the area of the sector. 35 degrees equals on over 5. On equals 535 degrees. On equals 5, 0.819152. Taking the positive square root gives on equals 4.09576 centimeters. Use the right triangle area formula. Area of POQ equals 1 over 2 times PQ times on. So this simplifies to equals 1 over 2 times 5.73576 times 4.09576. We use PQ as the base and on as the height. The area of triangle POQ is approximately 11.746 square centimeters. Area of minor segment equals area of sector, area of triangle. So this simplifies to equals 15.2778 meters setercinus 11.746. So this simplifies to equals 3.5318 up to cm squared. Approximately equals 3.53 square centimeters. So the area of the minor segment cut off by chord PQ is 3.53 square centimeters. Taking the positive square root gives PQ equals 5.74 centimeters. Arc PQ equals 6.11 centimeters. Area of sector POQ equals 15.3 square centimeters. Area of minor segment equals 3.53 square centimeters. To summarize, the chord PQ is 5.74 centimeters. The arc PQ is 6.11 centimeters. The area of sector POQ is 15.3 square centimeters, and the area of the minor segment is 3.53 square centimeters. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more simple and clear mathematics solutions.